Good morning, students. Welcome to Biology online class. In the previous class, we started the topic World of Microbes. Microbes are microorganisms which cannot be seen by our eyes. We can see the microorganisms only with the help of a microscope. The list of microorganisms includes viruses, bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoans. Protozoans are single-celled animals. Fungi and algae. Some of the fungi are unicellular, some others are multicellular. In algae also, some are unicellular and some are multicellular. So all the fungi and algae are not microbes. Only some fungi and algae are microbes. In this video, we shall discuss about the fungi in detail. Fungi do not have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is necessary to prepare the food. Green plants prepare their own food with the help of chlorophyll. The fungi do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot prepare their own food. Since fungi lack chlorophyll, they depend on living on non-living organisms for their food. A fungi gets its nutrition from living organism or non-living substances. When a fungus gets its nutrients from living organisms, it is called as parasite. Parasitic fungi get their nutrition from living organisms. The fungus which gets nutrients from non-living substances is called a saprophyte. Saprophytic fungi get their nutrients from non-living matter. Fungi do not have chlorophyll, so they depend on living or non-living substances. So the fungi are parasites or saprophytes. Yeast is an example of single-celled fungus. This is a picture of yeast seen under the microscope. This is the diagram of yeast. Yeast is an example of unicellular fungus. It is made up of only one cell. In unicellular fungus, the plant body is called as thallus. Thallus is the plant body without root, stem, and leaves. What is an example of unicellular fungus? Yeast is an example for single-celled fungus. The width of the yeast is 1 to 5 micrometer. The width of the yeast is 1 to 5 micrometer. Yeast is non-motile. Motile organisms move from one place to another place. Fungi do not have structures for the purpose of moving from one place to another place. So majority of the fungi are non-motile. Mushrooms are multicellular fungi. In multicellular fungi, the plant body is called as mycelium. The plant body of multicellular fungi are called as mycelium. A mycelium is made up of number of thread-like structures called as hyphae. The hyphae arrange and form a structure called as mycelium. Each hypha is a tube-like structure. It is a fungal cell. It contains cytoplasm, nucleus, and other cell organelles like mitochondria, vacuole, ribosomes, etc. The cell wall of hypha is made up of cellulose or chitin. Inside the fungi, that is fungal hypha, cytoplasm is present. The cytoplasm is covered by cell membrane and cell wall. The cell wall is made up of cellulose or chitin. The fungal hypha is filled with cytoplasm. It is a tube-like structure. The hypha is a tube-like structure. It contains cell organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, vacuoles, etc.